What did you call? What did you call?
HP1JGD.
Hotel Papa 1 Juliet.
No, Juliet Golf Delta.
Hotel Papa 1 Juliet Golf Delta. Juliet Golf Golf. Hotel Papa 1 Juliet Golf Golf. You're 5'9" Florida for the youngsters on the airmen. QSL, thank you for the contact. The station I told stand by.
Hi, I'm Faith Anna, AE4FH, and that's my sister Hope, N4T, and welcome to HamRadio.World. Wait, this is a live stream, isn't it? Oh, I messed up already. So, basically, this is a dry run for a DXpedition we're doing next weekend, where we're going to the dry Tortugas. And today we just want to set up and make sure that we have all the kinks worked out and that we have everything we need. So I'm going to give you a little tour before listening more on what she's doing. Over here, we have a fishing pole antenna for 20 meters. So basically it's a fishing pole with a wire stuck in and 4 radials. So you basically just shove a fiberglass pole into the ground, and then put this over it, and then attach the coax and radials. So
what did we do with this antenna first?
What?
Why did we set this antenna up?
Okay, we set this one up so that we can have somebody operate while the others are being set up, since this one only takes about 5 minutes to do. The others can take quite a while. So next we have 2 antennas on that mast. The one on the top is what's called an X-beam. It's a 20-meter X-beam by TN07 Engineering, and that's directional. And then under that we have a 40, I think it's 40.
That's 40.
A 40-meter double bazooka, so that we can get on 40 when it's time for that. We also have our flag at half mast, and our easy up to keep us, or to give us some shade. The solar panel, which also helps for shade, but it's also charging the batteries because it's facing in the direction of the sun. We have the radio and the computer for logging. Little band plan chart, which is helpful because, you know, when you're on the island, you really can't just look up what are my limits. So this was really helpful.
QSL, you're 5'9" Florida, 73.
Let's go out here and talk about this.
So this is a power film solar panel for 1,200 watts, I believe.
120 watts.
Oh, 120.
$1,200.
I'm mixing up my numbers here. So it's 120 watts, and it works great. It folds up into about a 12 by 12 square, so that really helps for keeping the radio operating during the day and charging the battery so that it can be operated at night. And over here, we have 2 smaller ones. And the batteries that we're using are Bio-NO batteries. This one is also a power film solar fold-up solar panel, which this one we are using to charge some of our little Bio-NO batteries.
Yeah, it's back here.
Yeah, we have one back here. Which,
These little batteries are the 9 amp hour batteries. We have 2 of them. We're going to use those for running the satellite station and also for charging our handhelds overnight with a pure sine wave inverter. And we're using a Buddy Paul Power Mini as a charge controller.
And then this one is a Bio-NO solar panel, which not as foldable, but it does fold in half, so it is a little easier.
That's running the radios. We've got 3 of these batteries. What are these batteries, Faith Anna? You know?
These are also Bio-NO batteries. I forget the exact numbers, but I think it's 30 amp hour, is it?
Yep, 30
yeah, it's
amp
30
hour.
amp hour. And that one we also use to run the radio at night. So yeah, that's what we have right now. On the island, we will probably have more stuff set up. But this is what we have so far, and we've been making contacts, and we got about 100 already.
Today.
Well, today.
As WK1DS.
WK1DS stroke Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha.
What does that stand for?
It stands for Youngsters on the Air, which all during the month of December, stations from all over the world will be operating with Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha in their call signs somewhere to try to get youth on the air for the first time.
So some of the things we figured out that we need snacks to have while we're setting up, right?
And operating.
And operating. We need water, which we'll have, but we need to make sure we're drinking a lot of water. It took us about 3 hours to set everything up. We were on the air within 15 minutes using the crappy pole antenna, but about 3 hours to get everything set up because Hope and I did most of the setup. We also realized that we put the guy wires in the wrong spot, so we need to mark the base. Let's go over and look at the base. We need to mark the base of our little push-up tower at 120-degree intervals so that we know where to put our 3 guy ropes, because we judged it wrong. That is the base for the tower. The tower is a Max Gain Systems MK4HD. You can get them from TN07 Engineering, and also the base and the tube came from them as well. And also, they make the parts for the X-beam up there. That's a 20-meter X-beam, which is essentially a 2-element beam. And there's our American flag. We don't have it high enough. We needed to put it one up more. It's at half-mast because President Bush died last week. But anyway, the coax is from Messi and Poloni. And we're working on making sure we get everything out there that we need. Anything else?
Not really that I can think of.
All right, well, we'll make a video here in a minute and upload it later. So for now,
73.
Well, let's go over and listen to Hope make some contacts. Maybe we'll move to 40 meters. What do you think?
Okay.
Kilo Echo Zero Papa Alpha Papa, you're 5-9 Florida for the youngsters on the air, man.
QSL, you are 5-9 Iowa, India Alpha.
QSL 73, Whiskey Kilo 1 Delta Sierra Stroke Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha, QRZ. I got to work. November 2 mobile station?
Yes, November 2 Papa Sugar Radio.
November 2 Papa Sierra Romeo, are you logging a stroke mobile or are you logging in regular log? Okay, QSL, you're 5-9 Florida for the youngsters on the air month. I'll log you as both stroke mobile and without mobile.
We are in the mobile. Yes, we are in the mobile. What is your location?
I'm in Florida for the youngsters on the air month. Over.
Youngsters on the air month. Well, you're sounding very good. 5-9 here in Minnesota in the mobile, Roger.
Okay, QSL, thank you for the contact. Yoshi Kilo 1 Delta Sierra Stroke Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha.
Kilo Delta 9 Delta Charlie Papa.
Kilo Delta 9 Delta Charlie Papa.
QSL 7 Highland, Indiana.
QSL, you're 5-9 Florida for the youngsters on the air month. Over.
You're 5-9 Highland, Indiana. I saw something on Facebook to try 14335, so K9DCP, I'm on Facebook.
Okay, QSL, thanks for the contact. 73 Whiskey Kilo 1 Delta Sierra Stroke Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha. QRZ.
Take care. K9DCP clear.
Was there a Kilo Bravo 3?
Kilo Bravo 3, Charlie,
Okay, QSL, you're louder than you were just a few minutes ago. You're 5-9 Florida for the youngsters on the air month.
Roger that. You're 5-9, 59, Pennsylvania.
QSL, thanks, 73 Whiskey Kilo 1.
And with that, I think we'll say 73. We'll make a video to upload later. And we'll see you guys from the island.
73.
I got to work someone new. It was Colorado. Nothing, I could only probably get someone in Hawaii to confirm